to all to Codage VIT, and this is today's Vpropel easy level of question. Because I just checked right now, it's 11:30, and I saw that it's around this question I've got around 64 submissions. That's why I'm telling this question to be as an easy question. Okay, let me first explain the question as usual, and then I'll move on to the code. So, see, the question will be provided with two numbers, mainly L and U, okay? And you have to find three numbers A, B, C between 5 and 20, such that A is either less than or A is less than or equals to B, and B is less than or equals to C. Okay, they have to satisfy this condition. Moreover, A, B, and C should be greater than L, and A, B, and C should be less than or equals to U. Okay, you have to find these three numbers, and then you have to check whether c square minus a square plus b square is equals to 0 or plus or minus 1, or whether it is equals to plus or minus 2. If that's the case, then accordingly you have to print exactly Pythagoras, then very close to Pythagorean, close to Pythagorean. This is what you have to print. Okay, for example, see, L is equals to 5 and U is equals to 20 is the input given by the user. So for that case, you will be getting this output. Okay, for example, see, this is 5, this is A, this is B, and this is C. So what is 7 square? 7 square is 49 minus 25 plus 25. Okay, if you do that, then you will be getting either plus 1 or minus 1. Okay, so in that case, you have to print these three numbers also, as well as you have to even print this very close to Pythagorean. Okay, so this is the format which you have to follow. Let me show you. See, first line will contain the value of n, second L, and the second line will contain the value of U, and then accordingly you have to give the output. Okay, now before moving on to the code, let me tell the name of those students who have given the responses before 10:30 for this question. They were Vaibhav Banka, Siddhant Agarwal, Chinmay, Shreya Batra, L. Aditya Raj, Jay Patel, Muralidhar, Aditya T. Ajit, and Pranav Balaji. Okay, you can even count my name also, as I've also done this. So these were the 9 responses which I got for this code before 10:30. So congrats to all 9 of you and many others. Okay, so now let's not waste our time and move to the code. See, actually this is a already written code. Okay, I won't be writing it, rather I'll be explaining it to you. So see, here I'm taking input from the user, okay, and I'm storing it in L and U. After that, see, here actually I'm running 3 for loops. But let me tell you one thing, if you are solving this question in a competitive exam, better don't do this, because this will take more time. Okay, you'll be ending up getting time limit exceed error from the compiler. Okay, so better not do this. Search for an idle code. But for time being, I've used 3 for loops, and since Vprople have not provided such types of test cases which are too long, that's why this code have worked. And moreover, the 9 responses which I got from all the students, all those responses were also having this format only. They all were using these 3 for loops, and then accordingly they were doing their operations. Okay, so see what I'm actually doing over here is I'm running for I in range starting from L to U plus 1. Why U plus 1? Because as it's written over here, that the number can be even equal to U. Okay, these 3 numbers can even be equal to U. That's why I'm running the for loop up to U plus 1. Okay, and once again I'm running the for loop for J in range, then once again for K in range. Why 3 times? Because we need 3 numbers. We need 3 numbers to be checked. Okay, now see, this is my first condition. If I is less than equals to J, less than equals to K. Okay, this is exactly what it's written over here. Okay, that's the same thing which I'm checking over here also. And after this, see what I'm doing. I'm doing a square minus I square plus j square. If it is equals to 0, then print those 3 numbers, and along with that even print exactly Pythagorean. Okay, that is what it was written over here. See, if this is equal to 0, then you have to print exactly Pythagorean. Okay, now in elif condition I've written if c square minus a square plus b square plus j square is in minus 1 or 1. What does this mean? It means this value is either equal to minus 1 or 1. In that case, print those 3 numbers, and along with that write this very close to Pythagorean. Okay, and similarly, if the final value of this expression is either minus 2 or plus 2, then you have to print those 3 numbers, and along with that you have to print this close to Pythagorean statement. Okay, so this is only the code, as it's a damn easy question. Okay, so there's nothing much to explain it. Now let me just run this and show it to you. See, over here, wait a minute. Over here they have taken 5 and 20, right? So I'll take 5 and 20 as input, 5 this is what I'm getting. 5, 5, 7, very close to Pythagorean. 5, 11, 12, close to Pythagorean. Look, see, that is what you need, right? 5, 5, 7, very close to Pythagorean. 5, 11, 12, close to Pythagorean. Okay, so that's all, friend, for this video. And I don't find this question to be much hard. That's why this video is going to be too short. Anyways, well, once again, congratulations to those 9 students. And thank you for watching the video. Bye.